For your melodious prayer song. Now the time has arrived to add some dignity and fragrance to our dais. It is the time to invite our honorable dignitaries to occupy their respected places. First, I would like to invite chairperson of our school, Vidya Murkumbi ma'am, to come on stage. I request Shobha ma'am to escort the guest. Next, I invite Chief Guest Dr. Gurupad S. Mariguddi sir to please come on stage. I request Uday Mankade sir to escort the Chief Guest. Now I invite General Manager Babu Rao sir to come on stage. I request Basappa Harpat sir to escort the guest. Now I invite President Abhay Koch sir to come on stage. I request Sanjeev Bhajantri sir to escort the... Next, I would like to invite Principal Srimati Lalita Chari ma'am to come on stage. I request Anita Mani ma'am to escort the guest. Today we come together to embrace diversity, celebrate unity, and create lasting memories together. To have a good start for this event, we need a good welcome. It is the time to welcome and introduce guests for this program to the audience. So I would like to welcome Kamdhenu ma'am to come on stage for the welcome speech.
Luckily, the weather is on our side today. The clear sky and I pleased to offer you a warm welcome. This is Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Kamadenu standing before you to welcome you all to this fabulous evening Avishkar program on behalf of our school management, principal ma'am, teaching and non-teaching staff, parents and children. Inspiration is the light that transforms rains into the rainbow. We come together today not just for an event, but for the celebration of human connections and pursuit of a greater purpose. A warm welcome to each and every one of you. All of us do not have an equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. May I take this opportunity to welcome our chief guest of today's function, Dr. Gurupad Mariguddi sir, Research Conductor, Bagalkot. Welcome, sir. Great leaders do not set out to be a leader. They set out to make a difference. It is never about the role, always about the goal. With a great pleasure, now I would like to welcome today's guest of honor who always support us with their positive blossoms and always be a backbone of our institution and always try to serve the society with a great heart, our beloved and respected chairperson, Srimati Vidyatayi Murkumbi ma'am, chairperson SRSD of Monoli, Belgavi. Welcome you, ma'am. I request Mrs. Pooja Abbar to give the bouquet as a token of love and affection. Thank you, ma'am. Education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically. Intelligence plus character is the goal of true education. I would like to welcome today's guest of honor, Shri Baburao Malgaudnavar sir, General Manager, SRSD of Belgavi. Welcome you, sir. I request Mr. Pramod sir to hand over the bouquet as a mark of our respect. Thank you, sir. Challenges make you discover things about yourself that you never really knew. By saying this, it is my great pleasure to welcome today's president of this function, Shri Abhay Kot sir, General Manager, SRSL Unit 1, Monoli. Welcome you, sir. I request Mr. Chandrasekhar sir to give a bouquet as a token of a love and affection. Confidence doesn't come when you have all the answers, but it comes when you are ready to face all the questions. I wish to welcome Shri Sachin Upadhyay sir, Manager Account, SRSD of Belgavi for this grand occasion. Welcome you, sir. I request our Basavaraj Bandi sir to offer a bouquet as a mark of our respect. Thank you, sir. Never think I have nothing. Never think I have everything. But always think I have something. I can achieve everything. By this, I would like to welcome our beloved principal ma'am, Srimati Lalita Chari ma'am, for this marvelous evening. I request Srimati Shobha ma'am to give a bouquet as a token of a love and respect. Next, I request our teachers to welcome all the HODs of SRSL and their family by giving the flowers. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I request Mr. Uday Mankale, sir, to welcome our sister school teachers, Mr. Sanjeev Kumar, Admin, Kokatnur School, Shri Parish, Accountant, Kokatnur School, Shri Shivu Bableshwar, Assistant Teacher, Havalga. I request Mr. Bajavraj Bandi sir to give away the bouquet to the Sachin sir, and welcome. Last but not the least, I wish to welcome all the invitees, SRSL HODs and family, parents, media person, teaching and non-teaching staff of SRF family, and my lovely children for this auspicious occasion. Welcome, welcome one and all. Thank you.
The Avishkar 2023-24. To be inspired is great, but to be an inspiration is an honor. It is a time to introduce our chief guest to the audience. His presence adds a charm to the program. He has achieved great success in his field and significantly contributed to the community and society. I welcome Umashri Poojar ma'am to come on stage.
ಶುಶಿಲೋಪಿ ಕುಲೀನೋಪಿ ಮಹಾದನಃ ಶೋಭತೆ ನ ವಿನಾ ವಿದ್ಯಾಂ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಸರ್ವಸ್ವಭೂಷಣಂ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಈ ಆವಿಷ್ಕಾರ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನದ ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಚೇರ್ಪರ್ಸನ್ರಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಮುರ್ಕುಂಬಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ರವರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಟರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಅಭಯ್ ಕೋತ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಜಿ ಎಮ್ರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಬಾಬುರಾವ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಲಲಿತಾಚಾರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ರವರಿಗೂ ವಂದಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಬಿಂದುವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಗುರುಪಾದಿ ಮರಿಗುದ್ದಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮರಿಗುದ್ದಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಚಯವನ್ನು ಓದಿದೆ, ವಿಸ್ಮಯಗೊಂಡೆ, ಭಯಗೊಂಡೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷವೂ ಆಯಿತು. ಇಂಥವರ ಪರಿಚಯ ಭಾಷಣ ಮಾಡಲು ನನಗೆ ಪದಪುಂಜಗಳೇ ತಿಳಿಯಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಗಗನಂ ಗಗನಾಕಾರಂ, ಆಕಾಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಲಿಕೆಯ ಪದ ಬೇರೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಕಾಶವೇ ಎನ್ನಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ರವಿ ಕಾಣದ್ದನ್ನು ಕವಿ ಕಂಡ ಎಂಬ ನಾಣ್ಣುಡಿ ಇವರಿಂದ ಸತ್ಯವಾಯಿತು. ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ದೇ ಜಾಗೋ ರವರು ಕಂಡಂತೆ ಸೃಜನಶೀಲ, ಸೃಜನೇತರ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಗಳಿಸಿರುವ ಸವ್ಯಸಾಚಿ. ಶ್ರೀ ಕುವೆಂಪು ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ನಿಷ್ಠಾವಂತ ಕೃಷಿಕರು ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಸಾಗರದ ಆಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಳುಗುತ್ತಾರೆ, ವಿಸ್ತಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಜಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂತಹ ನಿಷ್ಠಾವಂತ, ಬಹುಮುಖಿ, ಪ್ರತಿಭಾವಂತ ಕಾಯಕ ಯೋಗಿ, ವಿದ್ವತ್ ಸಂಪನ್ನರಾಗಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯನ್ನು ಸಂಪಾದಿಸಿದ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ಉಜ್ವಲ ವಾಗ್ಮಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಗುರಿಕಾರರು ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಗುರುಪಾದ್ ಮರುಗುದ್ದಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರು. ಇವರ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಹೆಸರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಗುರುಪಾದ ಶಿವಲಿಂಗಪ್ಪ ಮರಿಗುದ್ದಿ. ಇವರ ಜನನ ಜೂನ್ 20, 1956, ಊರು ಬೆಳವಿ, ಹುಕ್ಕೇರಿ ತಾಲೂಕು, ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ. ಇವರ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಹುಟ್ಟೂರಾದ ಬೆಳವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಯಾದಗೂಡದಲ್ಲಿ, PUC ಹುಕ್ಕೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, BA ಪದವಿ ಸಂಕೇಶ್ವರದಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಲಬುರಗಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ನಾತಕೋತ್ತರ ಪದವಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ಸುವರ್ಣ ಪದಕವನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕುಲವೊಂದು ಕವಲೆಂಟು, ವೃತ್ತಿ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರು, ಪ್ರವೃತ್ತಿ ನಾನಾಮುಖವಾಗಿದೆ. 60 ಸಂವತ್ಸರ 12 ತಿಂಗಳು 7 ವಾರಗಳು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. ಆದರೆ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಸಂದ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳು, ಕೃತಿಗಳು, ಇವರ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಸಾಧನೆ, ಸಂಘಟನಾ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯ ಹೇಳತೀರದು. ಇವರು ನಿಜವಾಗಿ ಸರಸ್ವತಿಯ ವರಪುತ್ರರು, ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಾರಸತ್ವ ಲೋಕದ ಧೀಮಂತ ನಾಯಕ, ಜ್ಞಾನ ನೇಸರ. ಇವರಿಗೆ ಸಂದ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳು ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ಭಾಸ್ಕರ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ, ವಿಶ್ವ ಮಾನವ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ, ರಾಜ್ಯ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ, ಹೀಗೆ ಒಟ್ಟು 8 ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳ ಭಾಜನರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರು 11 ಸಂಘ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಸದಸ್ಯತ್ವವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 8 ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಸಂಶೋಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 24 ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಕೃತಿಗಳನ್ನು ರಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 24 ಸಂಪಾದಿತ ಕೃತಿಗಳು, ಇತರರೊಂದಿಗೆ 14 ಸಂಪಾದಿತ ಕೃತಿಗಳು, 109 ಪ್ರಕಟಿತ ಲೇಖನಗಳು. ಬಹುನಾಂ ಜನ್ಮನಾಮಂತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನವಾನ್ ಮಾ ಪ್ರಪದ್ಯತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ್ಮಗಳ ಪುಣ್ಯಫಲದ ಸಾಕಾರ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮರಗುದ್ದಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರೆಂದರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಲಾರದು. ಮನುಜರೋಳ್ 5 ಸುಕೃತಿಗಳುಂಟು, ಪೇಳ್ವೆ ಅವರವರ ಉತ್ತರೋತ್ತರ ಗುಣವಿಡಿದು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ ನಿಜಗುಣ ಶಿವಯೋಗಿಗಳ ಮಾತು ಸತ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಅವು ಯಾವುವು ಎಂದರೆ ಮುಮುಕ್ಷು, ಕರ್ಮಿ, ಅಭ್ಯಾಸಿ, ಅನುಭವಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಆರೂಢ. ನಿಜವಾಗಿಯೂ ಇವರು ಕನ್ನಡದ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಆರೂಢರೇ ಎನ್ನಬಹುದು. ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ ರಸಋಷಿ ಕುವೆಂಪುರವರ ಮಾತು ಸತ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಅಮರ. ಇಂತಹ ಪುತ್ರರು ಈ ನಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಮುಂದೆಯೂ ಜನಿಸುವರೆಂಬ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎನಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ನೀರಿಳಿಯದ ಗಂಟಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡುಬು ತುರುಕಿದಂತಾದ ನನಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮರಿಗುದ್ದಿ ಎನ್ನದೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹಿರಿಗದ್ದೆ ಎಂದು ಭಾವಿಸಲೇ ಇದು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಲಾರದೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ಬಯಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿ ಶ್ರೀಯುತರ ಪರಿಚಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲು ನನಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ.
Thank you, ma'am, for introducing chief guest to the audience. Education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world. Annual day is not a day without annual report to showcase years worth of continuous and creative process, accomplishments, success, struggles, achievements and various programs conducted throughout the year. I humbly request the brain behind this magnificent function and the lady who needs no introduction, confidence glimpses in the way she speaks, the most dynamic and versatile personality, Principal Srimati Lalita Chari ma'am, to present annual report.
There is a great saying, education builds confidence, confidence builds hope, hope builds peace. Education is for transformation, not for mere information. Greetings and warm wishes for the blessed and cheerful 2023. A pleasant evening to one and all gathered here. I feel honored to extend my hearty welcome to our esteemed guests of the day, Dr. Gurupad Shivlingappa Mariguddi Sir, Research Conductor, Bagalkot Center. Dr. Vidya Murkumbi Ma'am, Chairperson, Shri Renuka Development Foundation, Belagavi. Shri Babu Rao Malgaudanawar Sir, General Manager, Shri Renuka Development Foundation, Belgavi. Shri Sachin Upadhyay Sir, Manager, Accounts, Shri Renuka Development Foundation, Belagavi. Shri Abhay Koth Sir, General Manager, Shri Renuka Sugars Limited, Unit 1, Munvalli, and President, School Betterment Committee. Guest HODs of Shri Renuka Sugars Limited, our fraternity, media people, lovely students, a very warm welcome to one and all gathered here. We are really grateful to have our school chairperson, Dr. Vidya Murkumbi ma'am, who has come all the way from Belagavi to grace the occasion. We are greatly honored by your presence, ma'am. I put forth my heartfelt welcome to the distinguished parents who are eagerly waiting for the magnificent performance of their wards. I am pretty sure that they are going to shake the stage by their performance. Welcome all of you to this marvelous event, Avishkar. It's my privilege and pleasure to present the annual report for the academic year 2023-24. I wish to begin with the academic performance of class 10. We are delighted to inform that the highest percentage recorded by Ananya Sarapure is 97.2 in the academic year 2022-23. The students who ranked top 3 in the school will be felicitated today. We have successfully completed the 6th batch of the 10th standard by giving 100% of the result over these 6 years. This year, we will be sending our 7th batch of 32 students for the AISSE examination to be held in the month of February 2024. The number of students currently enrolled in the school are 654 and the total strength of staff is 44 with 33 teaching staff and 11 non-teaching staff. To bring beauty to the life of pupil by introducing diversity in their curriculum, we have divided the entire school into Prahalada House for the KG classes, Dhruva House for the classes 1 to 5 and different houses for the senior classes like Akash Blue House, Agni Red House, Trishul Yellow House and Prithvi Green House. Prahalada House students had participated in many competitions like mono acting, shloka recitation, fancy dress competition, etc. Dhruva House and senior students too had many competitions like pick and speak, doha recitation, clay modeling, diya decoration, etc. Based on the activities conducted throughout the year, we have allotted the points. And the result is here. Trishul Yellow House bagged 4th position with 98 points. 3rd position is bagged by Agni Red House with 120 points. 2nd position is bagged by Prithvi Green House with 133 points. And so, the rolling shield for the best house for the academic year is backed by Akash Blue House with 145 points. Putting forth to the different functions and activities conducted throughout the year. The 31st May is the day on which we welcomed our beloved students to the school. World Environment Day was celebrated on 5th of June by planting the saplings in the school premises by the students. To create awareness among the children to honor fathers who had made significant impact in their lives, Father's Day was celebrated for the pre-primary section. To develop leadership qualities among the children, school elections were conducted on 8th of July 2023. The procedure was carried out the same as the Lok Sabha elections with the voter ID, nominations with the selected symbols, campaigning, ballot papers, ballot box and also typical voting mark on their finger. One of the mega event of our school is annual sports meet. We had God of Honor, Oath Governance and Torch Relay. Various athletic events and indigenous games were conducted. To teach the students practically and to sensitize about preserving the historic monuments, grade 9 and 10 students were taken to the educational trip to Hampi in the month of October 2023. Teaching is an ongoing learning process. Staying updated is the key to success in any field, especially in the field of education. Our teachers stayed updated by attending workshops and various training programs. We have introduced the Best Student Award to the outgoing 10th standard student last year based on the various criteria and the laurels they bring to the school. And this year, the rolling shield is backed by Master Vaishnav Mane. The good work of the school is the result of the hard work of students, parents, teachers and timely support from several quarters on behalf of the school. I hereby express my sincere thanks and heartfelt gratitude to the management for the continued assistance and guidance at all times. Thank you one and all.
Now it's a time to felicitate our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Gurupat S. Mariguddis sir. I request Abhay Koth sir to felicitate the guest and I would request all the dignitaries to join.
Hello.
Now it's a time to felicitate President of today's function, Abhay Koth sir, who has been continuously supporting us in every step. We take this opportunity to call Mrs. Suma Koth to come on stage and take the felicitation together. Sarapure, who has scored 97.2% in the 10th board examination. I request parents to join the child at this proud moment. Congratulations to the child. Give a big round of applause for this girl.
ಎಲ್ಲವರಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತೇಜನ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಗೆದ್ದಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಭಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ದೇವ್ರ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡೋ ಮುಂದೆ ಚಪ್ಪಳ್ಗಿ ಬೆರೆಸ್ತೀವಿ, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಮಾಡೋ ಮುಂದೆ ಚಪ್ಪಳ್ಗಿ ಬೆರೆಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 5 ಮಿನಿಟರೇ ಚಪ್ಪಳ್ಗಿ ಬಾರಿಸ್ರಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಚಾಲನೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿರಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಜೋರ್ಲೆ.
Keep motivating the students by giving a big round of applause.
ಸಾಧನೆ ತೋರಿದ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾವಿರ ಸಾವಿರ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ, ನಾಡಿನ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯ ಬೆಳಗಿಸಿದ ನಿಮಗಿದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ.
Now I would like to call upon the second topper of the school, Pavan Adivakka Harri, who scored 91%. I request parents to join the child. Congratulations to the child. Give a big round of applause. Keep motivating the children.
ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಅನ್ನವ ನೀಡುತ್ತ ಸಲಹಿರುವ ನೇಗಿಲ ಯೋಗಿಗೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಕಣ್ಣನು ನೀಡುವ ಅಣ್ಣನಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ, ದೇಶವಾಡಿದ ನಾಯಕರೇ ನಿಮಗಿದು ಗೌರವ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ, ನಾದದ ಸುಧೆಯನ್ನು ಹರಿಸಿರುವ ನಾಯಕರೇ ಇದು.
Congratulations to the child. Now I would like to call upon the third topper of the school, Kiran Ravi Shankar Adaki, who scored 90.2%. I request parents to join the child. Congratulations to the child. Give a big round of applause.
ಕೀರ್ತನೆ ವಚನವ ಬೋಧಿಸಿದ ಯೋಗಿ ವರೇಣ್ಯರ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ, ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಲೋಕದ ಸಾಧಕರೇ ನಿಮಗಿದು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ, ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ತೆರೆಯ ತಾರೆಗಳೇ ನಿಮಗಭಿಮಾನದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ, ನಾಡಿಗೆ ಅಣ್ಣನೇ ಆಗಿರುವ ರಾಜಣ್ಣನಿಗೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ
Congratulations to all the three toppers. Give a big round of applause for them. It's a really proud moment for all of us as well as for their parents. As a part of Avishkar program, our school management has decided to give a cash prizes to the students who has scored more than 90 marks in the maths and science subject. I really feel honored to announce this. In the maths subject, Ananya Sarapure scored more than 90 marks. I request her to come on stage. In the math subject as well as in the science subject, the child has scored more than 90 marks. I request Vidya Murkumbi ma'am to award the child with the cash prize. I request all the dignitaries to join.
ಸಾಧನೆ ತೋರಿದ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾವಿರ ಸಾವಿರ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ನಾಡಿನ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯ ಬೆಳಗಿ
The students who have scored more than 90 marks in the science subject, Kiran Ravishankar Adki, please come on stage.
ನಮ್ಮಾಡಿಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿಸಿದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಡಿಂಡಿಮ ಬಾರಿಸಿದ ಕವಿಗಳ
Lavanya Panchappa Sungar, please come on stage.
ಕಣ್ಣನು ನೀಡುವ ಅಣ್ಣನಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ದೇಶವಾಡಿದ ನಾಯಕರೇ ನಿಮಗಿದ ಗೌರವ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ
I request Pavan Adiveppa Harli to please come on stage. Next, Avjesh Konur. In the absence of child, I would like to call parents to come on stage and collect the award.
ನಿಮಗಿದ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ತೆರೆಯ ತಾರೆಗಳೇ ನಿಮಗಭಿಮಾನದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ನಾಡಿಗೆ ಅಣ್ಣನೇ ಆದೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ.
Congratulations to all the children. A good education can change anyone. A good teacher can change everything. Not only for the students, but also for the teachers to recognize their hard work and talent. The school management has decided to award the teachers with cash prizes who handled the 10th standard batch and led them in the way of success. I request these following teachers to come on stage. First, I would like to call Vijay Lakshmi Kamdhenu ma'am for the Kannada subject. Ma'am, please come on stage. I request Vidya Markumbi ma'am and all the dignitaries to award the teacher with a cash prize.
ಸಾಧನೆ ತೋರಿದ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾವಿರ
Next, I would like to call Priyanka Bhosle ma'am for social science.
ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ.
Next, I would like to call Jyoti Kadi ma'am for the science subject. Ma'am, please come on stage. Please give a big round of applause for the teachers.
ಕಾಯುವ ಯೋಧರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮೆದೆಯಾಳದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಅನ್ನವ ನೀಡುವ ಸಲಹಿರುವ ನೇಗಿಲ ಯೋಗಿಗೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ.
Next, I would like to call Manjunath Tondikatti sir to come on stage for the science subject.
ನೀಡುವ ಅಣ್ಣನಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ದೇಶವಾಡಿದ ನಾಯಕರೇ ನಿಮಗಿದ ಗೌರವ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ನಾದದ ಸುಧೆಯನ್ನು ಹರಿಸಿರುವ ನಾಯಕರೇ ಇದು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ
like to request Principal Srimati Lalita Chari ma'am to receive the award. Ma'am, please come forward. Congratulations to all the teachers. Give a big round of applause for them.
ಕ್ರೀಡಾಲೋಕದ ಸಾಧಕರೇ ನಿಮಗಿದ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ತೆರೆಯ ತಾರೆಗಳೇ ನಿಮಗಭಿಮಾನದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ನಾಡಿಗೆ ಅಣ್ಣನೇ ಆಗಿರುವ ರಾಜಣ್ಣನಿಗೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ
The word Avishkar means invention. As a part of Avishkar, we have invented a champion trophy. SRSDU group of institution has 3 branches, namely Havalga, Munoli and Kokatnu. The award is given on the basis of number of students scored more than 90 marks in the 10th board examination. Champion trophy for the academic year 2022-23 goes to Sri Renka Foundation School, Munoli. I feel honored to announce this. I request Principal ma'am, teachers and students to join and collect the trophy from Vidya Markumbi ma'am together. Please, all the teachers and students come on stage.
ಅನ್ನವ ನೀಡುದ ಸಲಹಿರುವ ನೇಗಿಲ ಯೋಗಿಗೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಅಣ್ಣನು ನೀಡುವ ಅಣ್ಣನಿಗೆ.
Next, I would like to request Shobha Haibati and Pramod sir to continue with the prize distribution.
A very warm welcome to all of you. Good evening, one and all present here. Success is a product of daily habits, not once in a lifetime transformation. By this, I would like to announce the names of winner in a scholastic and co-scholastic. Now this is the time to announce the academic toppers of 2023. I request our chief guest, Shri Gurupad Marigudi sir, to present a trophy as an appreciation. From class 4th A, Aditi Anchi, I request her to come along with her parents. Please parents, join with the child. Parents, please clap them. From class 5th A, Aditi Katti. Parents, please join the student.
ಭಾರತರತ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಬಾರಿಸಿದ ಕವಿಗಳ ನಿಮಗಿದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ದೇಶವ ಕಾಯುವ ಯೋಧರಿಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯಾಳದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಅನ್ನವ ನೀಡುವ ಸಲಹಿರುವ ನೇಗಿಲ ಯೋಗಿಗೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ.
From class 5th B, Shreyas Bodichetty. From class 6th, Sakshi Bargi. From class 7th A, Sakshi Tengi. From class 7th B, Srinidhi Patil. Parents, please encourage the child with your claps. From class 8, Lakshmi Patil.
ನೆದೆಯಾಳದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಅನ್ನವ ನೀಡುತ್ತ ಸಲಹಿರುವ ನೇಗಿಲ ಯೋಗಿಗೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಕಣ್ಣನು ನೀಡುವ ಅಣ್ಣನಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ದೇಶವಾಡಿದ ನಾಯಕರೇ ನಿಮಗಿದ ಗೌರವ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ನಾದದ ಸುಧೆಯನ್ನು ಹರಿಸಿರುವ ನಾಯಕರೇ ಇದು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಶೌರ್ಯವ ಮೆರೆದಿರುವ ವೀರ ವನಿತೆಯರ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಕೀರ್ತನೆ ವಚನವ ಬೋಧಿಸಿದ ಯೋಗಿ ವರೇಣ್ಯರ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ
From class 9, ಶರ್ವರಿ ತಬೀಬ್.
ನಿಮಗಿದ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ತೆರೆಯ ತಾರೆಗಳೇ ನಿಮಗಭಿಮಾನದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ನಾಡಿಗೆ ಅಣ್ಣನೇ ಆಗಿರುವ ರಾಜಣ್ಣನಿಗೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ
From class 10, Tejaswini Janakatti. Congratulations students, all of you keep it up. Thank you dignitaries. Kondu Nayak sir, on this occasion, sir please come on the stage. Every year this trophy is announced by the Kondu Nayak sir. I request all the dignitaries join to sir. This year, the best sports boy backed by the master Abdul Mateen from class 10th. The best sports girl backed by Kumari Shrishti Maradi from class 8th. Congratulations students. Thank you dignitaries. A little progress each day adds up the big result. Talent wins game, but teamwork wins championship. Now it's time to announce the best house of the year 2023, and the winner is Akash House. I request house masters and captain to receive a trophy. I request all the dignitaries to present a trophy as a token of love. Parents, please encourage the child with claps. Congratulations, masters and students. Keep it up. Thank you, dignitaries.
Now it's a time to felicitate our energetic, hardworking, talented, and multifarious teachers for their unwavering and selfless services, who are there with us for a long time. I would like to call upon stage Shobha Haibatti ma'am. Ma'am, please come on stage. Congratulations to all the teachers. Sir, side be ready Thanks to all the teachers and dignitaries who has completed 15 years of services not to write the exam. Not to write the exam, she took it as a challenge. By strong determination, she wrote the exam and passed it with the first class. Give a big round of applause to the child. Congratulations to the child.
Hello, thank you everyone present here. I'm really happy because you all supported me in my difficult times. I want to thank my beloved teachers who encouraged me in my difficult times and supported me, and they stood behind me and they cared a lot for me, and I want to really thank you, all of you.
Thank you. It's